Hey there, investors! Welcome to another deep dive into the world of finance. Today we're talking about Hercules Capital, a fascinating player in the financial sector. It's a BDC, or business development company, which plays a crucial role in the economy. BDCs are like financial superheroes for smaller companies, stepping in when they need it the most. They provide essential funding when traditional banks can't or won't, making them indispensable. This makes BDCs a potentially lucrative space for investors who are looking for high returns. BDCs invest in promising businesses, offering them the capital they need to grow. They offer loans, and sometimes even take equity stakes, sharing in the success of these companies. What's in it for you, the investor? Well, quite a lot, actually. BDCs distribute most of their profits to shareholders as dividends, providing a steady income stream. This makes them particularly attractive for income-focused investors who are looking for reliable returns. Hercules Capital is a big player in the BDC world, known for its strategic investments. They focus on innovative, high-growth companies that are at the forefront of their industries. Think tech, life sciences, and renewable energy. These sectors are not just exciting, but also have immense growth potential. They offer substantial growth potential, making them a compelling choice for forward-thinking investors. So, buckle up. We're about to explore why Hercules Capital could be your next power play in the world of BDCs. Stay tuned. Let's get to know Hercules Capital better. This company has been a significant player in the financial sector, particularly in the realm of venture debt. Founded in 2003, this company has a proven track record. Over the years, Hercules Capital has achieved numerous milestones, marking its growth and success in the industry. They're listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol HTGC. This listing is a testament to their credibility and stability in the financial market. Hercules Capital focuses on venture debt. This specialized form of financing is crucial for startups and growing companies that need capital to scale their operations. This means they lend money to companies backed by venture capitalists. These companies often have innovative ideas but require financial support to bring those ideas to fruition. These companies are often in their early stages. They're in the process of developing their products or services and need substantial funding to move forward. They need capital to grow. Without the necessary funds, these startups might struggle to expand and reach their full potential. Hercules Capital doesn't just lend money, they also offer strategic advice and mentorship, helping these young companies navigate the complexities of growth. They provide valuable guidance and support to their portfolio companies. This hands-on approach ensures that the companies they invest in have the best chance of success. Think of them as a financial partner, not just a lender. Their involvement goes beyond providing capital. They are committed to the long-term success of their investments. This approach helps their companies succeed. By fostering a supportive environment, Hercules Capital ensures that their portfolio companies can thrive and achieve their goals. With a strong management team and a focus on innovation, Hercules Capital is well-positioned in the BDC landscape. Their leadership is experienced and dedicated to driving growth and innovation. They have a history of delivering solid returns. Investors can trust in their ability to generate consistent and reliable financial performance. They're committed to creating value for their shareholders. This commitment is evident in their strategic decisions and their focus on long-term growth and profitability. What makes Hercules Capital a standout in the BDC arena? Let's break down their key strengths. First, they have a laser focus on high-growth sectors. These sectors are driving innovation. They offer significant upside potential. Second, Hercules Capital boasts a robust risk management framework. They thoroughly vet potential investments. They diversify their portfolio across industries and companies. This minimizes risk and protects investor capital. Third, their experienced management team is a major asset. These seasoned professionals have a deep understanding of the venture debt market. They have a knack for identifying promising investment opportunities. Finally, Hercules Capital is committed to shareholder value. They consistently pay attractive dividends. They have a history of increasing dividends over time. This makes them an appealing option for income-seeking investors. Numbers don't lie. Let's look at Hercules Capital's recent performance. They've consistently outperformed the BDC industry average. This demonstrates their ability to generate strong returns. Their portfolio has shown resilience. They've maintained low default rates. This highlights the effectiveness of their risk management strategies. Their net asset value, or NAV, has steadily grown. This indicates the increasing value of their investments. Moreover, Hercules Capital boasts a strong dividend track record. They've consistently paid dividends to shareholders. They've even increased their dividend payout in recent years. This commitment to returning value to shareholders makes them an attractive investment. Section 5. Why Hercules Capital? Unveiling the investment appeal. Why should you consider adding Hercules Capital to your portfolio? The answer is simple. They offer a compelling combination of growth and income potential. Their focus on high-growth sectors positions them to capitalize on innovation and technological advancements. This translates into potential for capital appreciation. Their consistent dividend payments provide a steady stream of income. This is particularly attractive in today's market environment. Hercules Capital's experienced management team, robust risk management, and commitment to shareholder value make them a reliable choice for investors seeking exposure to the BDC space. They offer a unique opportunity to participate in the growth of promising companies while enjoying attractive dividends. Section 6. Navigating risk, a balanced perspective on Hercules Capital. Like any investment, Hercules Capital comes with its own set of risks. Understanding these risks is essential for making informed investment decisions. It's crucial to understand these risks before investing. By doing so, investors can better prepare for potential challenges and make more strategic choices. One significant risk is interest rate sensitivity. Interest rates can fluctuate due to various economic factors, and these changes can have a direct impact on Hercules Capital's financial performance. BDCs like Hercules Capital often use debt financing. This means they borrow money to invest in other companies, which can amplify both potential returns and risks. Rising interest rates can impact their borrowing costs and potentially affect their profitability. Higher borrowing costs can reduce the net income available for distribution to shareholders. Another risk is credit risk. This refers to the possibility that the companies Hercules Capital lends to may not be able to repay their loans. Hercules Capital lends to companies that may be considered higher risk. These companies often have great growth potential but also come with a higher chance of default. There's always a chance that some of these companies may default on their loans. Defaults can lead to significant financial losses for Hercules Capital. This could negatively impact Hercules Capital's portfolio. A decline in the value of their investments can affect overall returns and shareholder value. It's important to remember that investing in high-growth sectors like technology and life sciences can be volatile. These sectors offer significant growth opportunities but also come with higher risks. These sectors are subject to market fluctuations and economic downturns. Economic instability can lead to reduced investment returns and increased volatility. This volatility could affect the value of Hercules Capital's investments. Investors should be aware of these risks and consider them when making investment decisions. Section 7. Hercules Capital versus the competition, a comparative analysis. How does Hercules Capital stack up against other BDCs? When comparing, it's essential to consider factors like portfolio composition, historical performance, dividend history, and management team experience. Hercules Capital stands out with its focus on venture debt and its track record of investing in high-growth sectors. They have a long history of generating strong returns for investors. Their experienced management team and robust risk management framework give them a competitive edge. While other BDCs may offer exposure to different sectors or investment strategies, Hercules Capital's unique approach and proven performance make them a compelling choice for investors seeking both growth and income potential in the BDC space. Section 8. The future is bright. Hercules Capital's growth trajectory. Looking ahead, Hercules Capital is well positioned to capitalize on the continued growth of innovative industries. The demand for venture debt financing is expected to remain strong as more companies seek alternative funding sources. Hercules Capital's focus on high-growth sectors like technology, life sciences, and renewable energy positions them at the forefront of innovation. These sectors are expected to drive significant economic growth in the coming years. With their experienced management team, robust risk management framework, and commitment to shareholder value, Hercules Capital is well equipped to navigate the evolving market landscape and continue delivering strong returns for investors. Section 9. The final word. Is Hercules Capital right for you? So is Hercules Capital the right investment for you? The answer depends on your individual investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. If you're an investor seeking exposure to high-growth sectors, looking for consistent income through dividends, and comfortable with the risks associated with venture debt investing, then Hercules Capital could be a valuable addition to your portfolio. However, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, consider your own financial circumstances, and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember, diversification is key to a well-balanced portfolio.